This is Prakash, Sujata and Diya from R3 Euphoria, and this video is about our reviews about comfort interiors. So initially நாங்கள் வந்து அவங்களோட one of the ads and Instaல பார்த்து தான் வந்து and few of their showrooms ரோடில் போகிறச்ச பார்க்கறச்ச we just popped in and we spoke to the owner. Parvati and Dwarakesh, they were very helpful in giving all the suggestions and how we can do better. They came to our site, they accessed it and எப்படி பண்ணலாம் better ideas they gave. And they also engaged a very nice architect, Miss Anita as well. So she was very helpful in coordinating all this 2D designs and 3D designs over a period of time, and we kind of she was very helpful in taking the different combinations of laminate as well. Our main requirement was to make the home more spacious and not less dark as well. So aduketa mari she was able to meet all our requirements and suggest things accordingly. And as you see, she has done a very great job. And once that she's done, the team also, the comfort team also, they engaged us with a lot of very good vendors actually. So whether it be it a false ceiling person, the electricians, or the painters, or the wallpaper, whomever they showed, right? So they are all of very good quality and they made sure the work is done perfectly. And thanks to the site engineer as well, Mr. Ganesh. So he did a very nice job in coordinating different vendors. And I have to mention the special thanks to the carpenter as well. So they comfort, they engaged as a very good set of carpenters who were able to fit all these things in a very less time. Okay, Mr. Das northangla engage pannanga, romba nalla pannanga ellarume. So overall it was a very nice experience, and it when we enter the home, right, that is the place we are going to wind up after a long day, and she made sure that we get that feeling when we enter our home. So yeah, and she was able to do everything within the budget, and and at the same time it looks pleasant to be at home as well.
You will see when you check where, like this one, you see it been eating on the leaf.
So thanks to Comfort Interiors.